Should you ask for a more flexible work schedule if your company doesn't make a habit of it? Yes, but you have to do it the right way. You know, most moms want a flexible work schedule. In fact, most everybody does these days for some life balance. So to persuade your boss, make a case for how it'll benefit your company, not just you. One mom sold a 7 a.m. start time so she could leave early to pick up her child for after-school activities by suggesting to her boss that she'd be in early enough to finish it up by the time they got in at 9 a.m. If you want to work, say, a day at home a week, make a case that you'll be able to work more hours, not less, without your long commute time. Make a plan for where you're going to work, how people can reach you, the hours you'll be available, and then suggest that you do a 1-month plan and then give a date where you'll evaluate the plan. Overall, you have to build trust and let your boss know that you will continue to be a high performer.